Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the right engine mount on Seat Leon with a 1.4 petrol engine. Before we can remove the engine mount, we need to support the engine. We're going to support it with a jack, and now we can remove everything around the engine mount. We'll remove first the bolt for the windshield wiper fluid reservoir. Next, we'll remove the evap canister, and then we'll remove the coolant tank as well without disconnecting any hoses. The only hose that we'll disconnect is the hose for the evap canister, which is right there. It's a pipe because it's in our way and it's not gonna do anything. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel to see more videos like this. So next we'll start removing the engine mounts. There's two bolts here on top that hold this metal plate, and then two bolts on the chassis that hold the engine mount, and two bolts on the engine. Now that all the bolts are removed, we can remove the engine mount.